Po, tama po tayo naroon. Yan, kain tayo ng lunch. Kain tayo ng lunch with this little busing. Hindi naman siya nakita pala. Kamay ko na. Time check natin ngayon is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Kagagaling namin sa pool. Kaya kain na kami ng lunch. Tapos mamaya, pag hindi siya aambon, baka pupunta tayo sa park. We'll see. You wanna go to the park?
Lakad mo yan.
Just leave her alone.
Lakad mo.
Oo, ngayong hapon pa yun maglalakad. Yan. Kumusta po ang bawat isa mga kapatid? Kain tayo. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Huwag mong itap.
Basta.
Kaya nga dahan-dahan.
Tahan. It's cold.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Nagutom, nagbabasa ba ang tubig? Finish all that, all in your plate. Ayan. May isang viewers tayo. Hello, shout out sa 1 million viewers natin. Kain tayo. Kain. Ulam tayo ng sinabawang manok. Sa po ang favorite nitong bata eh. Na may malunggay. Egg properly ba? Very good. Ayaw mo yung gulay? Ayaw mo ng gulay? You don't like gulay? No? Gulay is good for your health, kaya. Kumusta po ang bawat isa mga kapatid? Yan, ilang araw na lang Pasko na. Although, everyday is Pasko naman for us. Di lang naman sa 24, 25 ang araw ng Pasko. Everyday is Christmas. Everyday should be celebrated, di ba? Yung pagkapanganak ng atin pong Panginoong Jesus natin tagapagligtas. Siyang nagbigay ng buhay niya para sa atin. Para tayo magkaroon ng kapatawaran. Magkaroon ng kaligtasan ba?
I'm eating.
Hindi lang sa araw ng 24, 25 ma-celebrate natin. No. This is not for you, Winnie.
What was it?
Ayaw mo siya. Ito your food.
Winnie, come here.
Ayaw mo siya. Ano siyang tawagin? Yan. Team in the house. Shout out po.
Hamster.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, diba? Kumusta po? Shout out sa 2 million viewers natin dyan. Eat your food first, darling.
And more soup.
Yeah. You want more?
Yeah.
More? You want more rice?
Yeah.
More rice? Yeah, I'll give you more rice. See? Nagutom.
Big one.
Nagutom ka, nagbabad sa
big
tubig.
one.
Okay, lagyan natin ng sabaw, baby. It's too big. Akin na yung spoon mo. Yeah, we'll put some soup. I know your soup is your favorite. Itong batang to, kahit wala ng basta may sabaw, okay na siya, sabaw at kanin. Yeah. Okay. No, malunggay is good for you.
Come in?
4 million in the house. Shout out po, magandang araw po talaga.
Where's Willie come in?
Kamusta po? It's okay. Just leave it in your plate then. Yummy? Sarap?
Vegetable egg ko.
It's okay. Vegetable is good for you. Pampalusog, pampalakas, tangkad pa. Malaglag Hold it properly. 5 million in the house. Shout out po. Kung sino man po kayo. Hindi ko inon ang nito, no? Hindi ko inon ang tawag nito. Hindi ko inon yung ads niya. Patalastas niya. 7 million. Shout out. Kain tayo.
Who buy this? Who
Which
buy
one?
2?
Which one?
This one England Airways?
No.
Who buy this?
Nothing there. It's from Bloody Mary's, baby.
I have that in my home. My house blocking house.
Who is watching, kapatid? Sino po yung mga nanonood dyan? Shout out sa inyo. Kung sino man po kayo. Kain po tayo ng lunch. It's already lunch time. It's 1. Ano lang siya? Just leave her alone.
Okay.
Just ignore. Just eat your food. Finish your food na so that you can eat cookies later on. Hindi ka kakain ng cookies pag hindi mo maubos ito lahat. Hayaan mo siya. Hindi ka naman inaano. Sige na.
Okay.
Finish your food and then you can eat You can have some... Yeah, and you can have some cookies later on. Pag naubos mo lahat yung kanin, okay? Hindi ka magkukookies pagka hindi mo yung maubos lahat. Sikra Sahed. Hi, hello po. Thank you so much for watching. That's it, brother. Brother or sister. Adriel, just leave the dog alone, please. Just focus on your food first. And then you can play with her. How are you, my friend? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll visit your home later. Just comment down below so that I can check yours later on. Kasi yung live chat hindi ko makikita. Hindi na siya makikita after ma-upload po. Kaya please comment down below na lang. Doon sa comment section, in the comment section, please comment there so that I know. I can just leave the dog alone, baby. I'm fine. How about you? We're fine. We're doing good. We're doing fine also. Thank you so much for asking.
Where's rice?
Do you want more rice?
Yeah.
Really? Nakadami ka na Really? You want more rice? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll give you more. Finish all that one, then I'll give you more rice, okay?
Enough.
Yeah, finish that one.
Enough rice.
Enough na? Thank you. Ano mo siya masyado. Thank you so much. Oh. Not like that. Not like that. That's not nice. No, use the spoon, darling. See?
This one's mine.
Use the spoon. See? Don't throw things in the Yeah, okay, like that. Where are you from, my friend? Sikra Zahed. I know from where you came from. Yeah, I will put more rice. I will put more rice.
No.
No more? Finish? Oh, finish na? Okay. Drink your juice muna. Drink juice.
I go down.
Oh, no, drink muna there. Don't bring your juice over there. Finish your there. Finish your juice there on the table. Oh, you're from Sri Lanka. Okay, shout out there. Finish it all, please. And dami niyang nakain, tong batang to.
Not spoon?
Finish your juice and then you go sit in the couch. Don't bring the there. Don't bring any liquid there.
Is there some?
That's the washing machine.
You get it. You get it this one.
Yeah. Shout out Ashika 123Q. Shout out. Hi, hello. How are you, my friend? How are you doing? Yeah. I don't know if you eat using your bare hands also. But as Filipinos, some of us use our hands.
Yeah.
But not all. Just leave the dog alone. Thank you. Nope. You're welcome. You can just call me Sikra. Okay. You finish your juice?
I don't need to.
You don't like anymore? Okay. Kala.
I go down.
Okay. You go there later on. I will give you your cookies. Okay? I'll just finish my food. It's okay. Just go. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thank you so much for...
Where's my
8 million in the house. Oh,
Where's my second?
it's here on the table, darling.
You get that.
No, you go get it. No, you go get it.
I go down.
Yeah.
I I go there in the.
Ah, good boy.
Oh my God.
Nag-burp na siya, oh. Sinong nabusog? Burp na tong bata. Hi, Ashika. Yeah, how Ashika?
Ato.
Yeah, you can.
To me.
Huh?
Winnie.
It's okay, just leave her alone. Where are you from, Pamilya? Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Yeah, from Philippines.
Bonjour.
Yes, darling.
I'm here.
Okay, it's okay. I'm from Philippines, my friend. How about Ashika 123Q? You are from, because Sikra Sahid is from Sri Lanka. So nice meeting you all. Oh, yes. Have you been there in the Philippines? Yeah, it's more fun in the Philippines, as some people says, which is very true. Yeah, we are from Philippines, but we are currently here in UAE, Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for loving our country, our Philippines, our beloved country. Oh, you're in Dubai too as well. Okay. So we're neighbors then. So we are here in Abu Dhabi. We are neighbors. And you are original, no, Sikar Sahid. Yeah. Sharjah. Oh, Sharjah, not Dubai. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to Pamilya Pantay Pantay. Just leave a comment on the comment section. It's raining, really? No, here it's not raining. It's just a cloudy. It's partly cloudy, but there's no rain because we just came from the pool. Thank you so much. We just came home from the pool. It's partly cloudy, but there's no rain at all. See the outside? It's cloudy. Yeah, see? It's cloudy outside. But there's no rain. Thank you so much from Queen Farm Share or Farms Here. Queen Farms Here. Thank you so much for subscribing. I am new. Thank you so much. Yeah, just please leave a comment to the comment section so that I will check your house later on also after this live. Because I don't know, maybe on my setting I couldn't review the live chat after it's uploaded. So I don't know, maybe it's just on me. On Saturday I'm going camping. Okay, you then enjoy your camping. Yeah. Weather now is not very, it's not very good. Okay, correct. Welcome. Thank you so much, my house. Yeah, I will visit your house later on. But please let me just leave a comment to the comment section so that I can remember the name. Because after the live, I cannot read the live live chat. No, it's not my house. I'm going to. Thank you. Al-Ain Mall. Oh, you are from Al-Ain. Oh, so everyone here is here in UAE except Sikra Sahid. Sikra Sahid is from Sri Lanka. You are originally from UAE as well, Queen Farms here. Oh, I'm 11. You are still young. You're 11. Okay, nice meeting you then. Al-Ain Mall. You're still young then. Oh yeah. Everybody is waiting for the New Year. I can't wait for the New Year's, yeah. Ilang tulog na lang. It's New Year na. It's 2026 na. Everyone is excited to welcome the new year 2026. Yeah, New Year. We're looking forward for that. Yeah, let's welcome together the New Year 2026. Yeah, 2025 passed so fast. Yeah, that's right. It's look like it's just yesterday, but now 2 weeks. Oh, we are now on what date today? We are now on 18. So one more week. No, more than 2 weeks. No, I'm confused. Less than 2 weeks, I mean. And we're finishing 2025. See? No, you look so young. How old are you? No, I'm old. Rim Almuray. Rim Almuhairi 974. Shout out. You look so young. How old are you? Shout out my friend Dream Almuhairi 974. Just look young, but it's not young anymore. Just guess the the age. Yeah. Beautiful. At Sultan Ahmed T71, shout out my friend. Thank you so much for watching. You're 21? No, I'm not 21. I hope I am 21, but I am not. No one is old, they're young on the inside. Oh yes, that's right. That's the best thing, you know. I'm not 21. Yeah, that's the best thing. 43? Oh, that's too old. No, younger. Sikra Sahid. You're 15? No, not 15. It's older. Younger than 43, 34. Oh, older than 34. Yeah, I may look like 34 higher. You see, my eye bag is 37. That's right. You got it right. I'm 37, turning 38. You get it right. So thank you so much for watching, for staying. Rim Almuhairi 974. Are you from UAA also, my friend? Rim Almuhairi 974. You're so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Yo, that's a compliment. Thank you. But still young and strong. Oh yes, thank God for that. Thank you, thank you. Oh, from UAA as well. So we're in UAA. Rim Almuray, you're from Al Rim. Because the name is Al Rim. Al Rim. Rim. Sikra is Sikra Sahid. So everyone is in the UAA. I guess so. The one is from Al In, the one is in Sharjah, and I'm in Abu Dhabi. Oh, Abu Dhabi also. From Abu Dhabi. Oh, we're in Abu Dhabi, my friend. Abu Dhabi, yeah. I guess only one is from outside the Abu Dhabi. Outside UAE. Alfa Lavella. Where is that? Alpha La Vela. Ah, apartment. Okay. In Alpha La Vela. I don't know where is that exactly. A good new problem. Ah, Alnada. Okay, no, Alnada. Alnada 1. Mm. Oh, no, we live in Yas Island. Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. We're in Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. So, thank you so much for Million in the House. Thank you for watching. Kindly like also. Where do you live? Yeah, yes, we are in Yas. Me, Alfala. Oh, Alfala, just nearby city. Yeah, Alfala. Alfala Street. Yeah. Yeah, it's look like it's going to rain now outside. Is everyone had their lunch yet? Because me, I'm done. We're done for breakfast. No, not breakfast, lunch. We just finished lunch. The message is held for review. There's a lot of messages that the Lolo YouTube is reviewing. It's automatic. No, not yet. See, there's a lot of messages that the YouTube is reviewing. This message is held for review, so I don't know why. Ayan, thank you sa dalawang like natin dyan. So, we are now live for 22 minutes. 22 minutes and 15 seconds. I don't know why all the messages is now, is under review. All is for review na. I don't know why. Yeah. I couldn't see the messages na. I think maybe because it sent it to, many times. That's why like this. The YT is hiding it. Thank you so much for watching sa live natin. Bye. Thank you so much, Sikras Ahead. Thank you. Appreciated for the support. I don't know who is this one messaging, but I couldn't read the messages.
Our cookies.
Oh yeah, I will give you cookies na. Yeah. Thank you. So I will end now this live. Thank you so much. Please kindly leave a comment to the comment section na lang so that I can return or I can check your house later on. If yeah, there's a lot of messages on the but I can't read because this message is held for review. YT is hiding it, so I don't know why. So maybe because it's sent many times, that's why repeatedly send. That's why it's just like. Thank you so much. Bye bye and God bless everybody. So have a good day and stay safe because the weather is not too. It's too well. It's look like anytime is rain will fall down. Can we see your child? Say hi. Shariyar, no, he is not. He is not my child. He is there playing. Na? Shariyar twins said hi. Hello, my friend. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will give you cookies now. I leave your channel. Oh, yeah. Please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Just leave a comment so that I can. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. My channel has no no good videos. Just any more on lang siya, more on. Yeah, shout out at Trim Almohairi 974. Shout out, and thank you so much for watching. Appreciated. Yeah. I will visit your house as well. Yeah, later on. Shout out at Shariar. I don't know if I am pronouncing it well, so I hope I am doing it right. Yan. So, shout out sa lahat ng mga nanood, sa lahat ng mga manunood pa. Secrets Ahead, thank you so much. So, who else is in here? Rim Almuhairi 974.
Touch you.
Yeah. Yes, darling.
Can you touch him?
No, just leave the dog alone. Yan. So, thank you so much. I will end it now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and God bless everyone. We will see you around.
Bonjour.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Stay safe
You can touch.
wherever you are. Yeah.